So when I called Butler Contracting, I was looking for some options regarding remodeling either the bathroom or the entire back of the house, because we have a pretty small house square footage wise, and we wanted to really maximize the space of the lot and see if there was any way to kind of gain a little bit more space both in the closet and the master bathroom, possibly even in the master bedroom. So it was a simple process to get this consultation set up. I went to the website and uploaded some pictures and videos. It was easy and prompted me through that process. And after that was done, actually, Chris called me back and asked me if I would have time to chat with Alan directly so that he could kind of ask some more questions and go over everything with me. And so we set that phone call up, and that way both my husband and I were able to chat with Alan a little bit more and get some more specifics. And it was really helpful to understand the process because, for someone who doesn't know much about construction in general, there's a lot of obviously permitting and stuff that goes into it that, I know on a very loose basis, but Alan was able to kind of explain the process of specifically with the county that we live in and what that looks like financially, what that might look like, and whether we were going to be able to do that or if we were interested in moving forward. Alan was super helpful when he spoke to us about explaining everything, which was really helpful because, obviously as a lay person that's not in this industry, it's really helpful to kind of try and understand the process that's going on. Obviously with the current situation, there's a lot of supply chain issues. Things aren't always getting done in the time frame that people maybe expect or want. And I know I've heard some stories from folks that are, having some work done with their homes, things like that. And it's hard right now. This is a difficult time, and it was really helpful because Alan he's incredibly knowledgeable about this area in general, and so he's able to talk to you specifically about and told us about the county that we live in, what specifically was going to be needed, and the price just to not even to build it, just to even get started, which was honestly a piece that my husband and I hadn't really even considered and didn't really even know that would be such a big factor in all of this, and that was super helpful. So when we talked to Alan, our main concern in general is our house is a little over 1,250 square feet. And so, we now have 2 kids and a dog. And so it was just like when my husband and I first got that house, it was just us. And so, given the way the market has been kind of wild, we just didn't know what we could do to get some more living space. And so we were thinking, doing an extension on the house, which it turns out, is going to be quite a process considering we live in Travis County, which requires some more permitting and things like that. Alan had a few really good ideas around how we could knock the wall down in between the bathroom and the closet, possibly. It wouldn't gain us more square footage, but he had some different ideas as far as thinking about the way the floor plan is and what we could do to help us maximize some of the space and help us get a little bit more of what we were looking for.